Troy, and right now I have my cane with me. We're outside here of the VRCO building, and I kind of want to just demonstrate things that I use for this to help me navigate outside and in new environments. So right now it is folded, and what I would just have to do is pull this elastic down, and you have to put some muscle into it, and I just gently let it fall. Some people like to unfold it themselves, or some people like just letting it go. I'm like both ways. I just let it go like this. And then you want to make sure it's in front of you and you are in a ready position. And when I walk, I'm gonna walk with two-point touch, and I'm also going to do, so that means like when my cane goes to the right, my left foot goes up, and vice versa. And this helps, since now I realize I went down a ramp, it helps you realize that this is an incline and decline of a ramp. And so the same thing back again if I go up again. Sometimes I'll do constant contact. It just depends on the person who is using the cane, but it's just easier for me to do constant contact because I feel it better. And then what else you can do is you can use the cane to feel the difference in the road. So this is the actual parking lot, so it's a lot rougher. And then this is the sidewalk, which is smoother. And it may take a little bit to get to know the difference between the different feels, but it's just helpful to know where you're walking at. So then when we walk down, use two-point touch. You keep your pattern, it makes walking a lot easier. And then when I come down the steps, so this is a drop off, I go with opposite foot down, and then I just continue walking. Another way is shorelining, which is finding the edge of the sidewalk. So right now this is a little curve to a little grass area that's got some plants and a tree right here. And then you can just trace yourself back. And then what I do when I come to a step is I pull my cane up. It tells me how far up I have to step up because no one wants to fall on their face. So then once you finish walking, and I'm going to walk back to the front of the building. I can use shorelining so I know when I'm up here at the doorway to walk back over. And then collapsing this is pretty easy, but you always want to have it vertical. You never want to have it horizontal because you don't want to stop someone on accident. So you pull your first two, you twist and pull, and just try to keep the cane down so you don't hit anyone, and you just do the same with the others. The bottom one can be tough because it's always the one that's closest to the ground and it has the most thing. And then you pull the elastic over on the other side, release, and there is your